Yeah, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today it time is 7:30 and I ordered this phone around 6:30 a.m. and today is the Amazon Prime Day sale. So previously this mobile, the same mobile Iqoo Z7 Pro 5G, which is of 8 GB and 128 GB RAM, is for around 23,000 or something like 23K or something like that. And today when I woke up and I have checked, because for the past 4 to 5 days, noting this Amazon Prime Day sale, I'm just checking this mobile price rate because I got a bit interest in this curved display and the matte black finish. So a bit interested in this mobile, and 3 days back the price was 23K, and now it has reduced to 2000. And there is a one more offer for this Amazon as a Prime Day sale. They have giving this here, apply 1000 coupon. How to use this coupon? As you go to cart or to checkout, at the time of the payment, something like that, you 1000 coupon will be automatically added to the cart, means as a discount. So it will be get reduced to 19998. So around 20K you will get this mobile, and that too I have used this exchange offer. I exchanged my Realme old mobile and I got good amount of price, something like 5,000, and totally I got it for 15,000. So I'll just place the screenshot of the order just at the end of this video. And coming to the specs, and it is 8 GB RAM and it is coming with yeah, see, it's coming with MediaTek Dimensity 7200 processor and with 64 MP primary camera with Aura light. This is the Aura light. This is the Aura light. Yes, and the specs and everything are a bit good. And moreover, I like this curved display, and I like always on display. So I'm just preferring this mobile. So I'm not asking someone to buy this or something like that, but I'll drop the link in the description. So someone who are interested to check the deal and the details of the current price, you can go through that by clicking on the link in the description. Yeah, I'll just attach the order what I have placed. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See, as I mentioned, I ordered this. See here, the 1,000 rupees coupon has been applied, and the order total is, means the final price of this product is 15,000. So this is because, as I have mentioned, that I applied this exchange offer with my Realme mobile. So 5,000 has been deducted. So yeah, the final price is this one, and I got this Iqoo Z7 Pro 5G, the black color, the graphite matte one, for 15K.